Um, yeah, Elliot, anything you wanna add on that? Like ideas that you're paying attention to in the adaptation and preconditioning world?
Oh, yeah. I mean, I not so much adaptation and preconditioning. I know that diffusion models are like all the rave right now, and I think there's a lot of people working on how to use those to precondition densities. I personally don't know much about those, nor I'm also not sure if there are actual like software project, open source projects for wide use, with those implemented. Yeah, I guess broadly what I'm most interested in moving forward is different ways of parallelizing MCMC, I think, and making it, scalable to ultra high dimensions, because MCMC is inherently like a very sequential algorithm, while meanwhile a lot of the computational advances that we're getting in hardware are for parallel computation. So I think that's kind of an interesting. There's some interesting ideas on how to bridge that gap, but I would agree that for preconditioning, yeah, it seems like NumPy is state of the art.
Mm, yeah. Hmm. Yeah, I was gonna ask you actually, what are you gonna focus on in the coming month? Things you wanna learn in particular or explore?
Yeah, I particularly interested in a new way of parallelizing MCMC over like trajectory length.
Ah.
There's
Mm-hmm.
um, there's a method of you basically can solve an optimization problem for to solve a full MCMC trajectory instead of computing in sequence. You can make an initial guess for a whole trajectory and then iterate on it, and it provably will converge to the true trajectory, which I think could be really cool for problems where the chain actually is somewhat predictable to some extent, but the log p evaluations are really expensive, for instance. I think it doesn't really work. I mean, part of what I'm interested in is how that can be done for adaptive samplers where it becomes a little more complicated. So that's one thing I'll
Mm-hmm.
be focusing on a little bit.
Yeah. 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 Sounds like fun. And Adrian, what about you? Because you always do some fun stuff, investigating some new ways of doing things. So yeah, like I'm curious, what's on your mind for the coming month?
Yeah, as always, I've got more projects running than I can actually finish, or I don't know. So that's
I
always a little bit
understand.
of a problem, kind of
Mm-hmm.
focusing on particular things that I can actually get done.
Mm-hmm.
But as I mentioned, MCLMC and kind of the non-adjusting methods, that's something I've been looking into.
Mm-hmm.
For some reason, I haven't really gotten it to work as well as I wanted to. So I'm not sure how much. So maybe it's entirely possible I'm just doing something wrong, of course. So I don't want to bash on the methods at all in any way. But so far, I didn't have too much luck, but that could be me. So it's a question of how much I want to try that more. Definitely, I'm looking into kind of what I mentioned a little bit in the beginning is of kind of using higher order autodiff as well. So not just the Fisher divergence, but what happens if we also use second order derivatives. I think there's really cool theory that could tell us how to do that. So that could be really really useful or interesting. No clue if it's actually will turn out to be useful, but fun for sure.